a soundstage, 4,000 square feet, insulated, newly polished concrete floors, 30-foot ceilings. There's a built-out mezzanine upstairs. This is another 4,000 square feet. Can be combined with the space on the other side of the wall for a total of 8,000. Just taking you up to the mezzanine. So everything in here is sound insulated, newly polished concrete floors. Over at the far end is a drive-in and a gate. So we're able to make some additional customizations here as necessary. 4,000 to 8,000 square feet available. Give us a call if you'd like to have a look.